Hello guys, this was a top comment from our last video. Thank you for commenting and enjoy the video.
Hello guys, thank you for watching again. This painting is inspired by a Japanese flower called a cherry blossom. I got this paint texture by mixing sugar and paint together. I'm going in with a bunch of pastel colors and a bunch of white. Now I'm just going to put some sugar on the canvas to make sure I have a lot of texture in this painting. Make sure to follow along and pause the video when you need to. I saw in the comments on the last video that y'all like longer videos, so I made this one a little bit longer. I'm just going to go in with some white because it didn't seem light enough for the pastel vibe I was trying to go for. Sorry if it focused on my hair a little bit. Now I'm going to go in and make a little tree branch so I can put some of my flowers on it. I'm just going to paint 2 branches. In the comments, tell me what you want to paint next. If you like flowers, comment a flower emoji. I just want to say thank you for everyone who has been watching so far and for supporting my channel. After I draw like these flowers, I'm going to put like a darker pink in like the outer corners and in the middle of the flowers. And now I'm just gonna put like a little bit pollen in the middle of them. I'm just gonna add some white to make some like white blossoms. Thank y'all so much for sending me so many paint supplies in the last fan mail. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna go in and add some like loose flower petals to show that it's kind of like moving in the wind. I'm just gonna add some like leaves around it. And I'm gonna add some leaves on the tree as well. Also, I'm going to add more flowers because it's a very floral painting. I'm going to draw some roses. I'm going to draw all different types of roses, but first I'm going to start to draw a soft pink rose. Shout out to one of my subscribers named RJ Candy. I'm just gonna go in with like some darker pink shade so I can just show some depth in them flowers and just get little rose action going on. I'm going in with some white to kind of highlight it a little bit. I'm going in with some light green to kind of show that there's more than one color of green in this painting. Now I'm going in with a dark red. I'm just going ahead and adding some more detail to the roses. I'm just going to add a bunch of roses all over until I get the right amount. I'm just going to add some highlight to the red roses and add some more red to the blossoms. Now I'm just going to add some pollen in the middle of them as well as I did to the other flowers. And I'm just going to add kind of different pastel colors around the painting. Now I'm going to add some white roses. Now I'm going to add a Hawaiian flower, 2 of different colors. I'm just going to be doing the same motion but with different colors on the other flower. And I'm just going to be adding different colored dots all around the painting.
this is the final product. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe, and if you want to purchase my art, it's at thesleeperdude.com. If you have any tips or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I think it turned out pretty good. Tell me what you think in the comments.